If you're wondering how to watch the FIFA World Cup for free in Pakistan, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you one of the easiest ways to find and watch the upcoming World Cup matches. The whole process only takes a few clicks, so let's get started. First, open Google and search for Tapmad. From the search results, open the official Tapmad website. Once the website loads, click on the three-line menu in the top right corner. A menu will open with different categories. From there, click on FIFA World Cup. This will take you to the dedicated World Cup section, where you can find everything related to the tournament. Simply choose the match you want to watch, and when it goes live, click on it to start streaming. The free version is supported by ads, while there's also a premium option if you prefer an ad-free experience. And that's pretty much it. It's a simple way to keep up with the FIFA World Cup without spending time searching through different websites. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the World Cup!